Sociolinguistics is the study of how language interacts with society. It looks at how social factors like region, class, gender, age, ethnicity, and occupation affect the way people speak. Key idea: language is not uniform, it reflects society. Example, a teenager in London may say "in it" at the end of sentences, while an older professional may never use it. Language is rarely the same everywhere. Variation occurs across different social and regional contexts. Sociolinguistics studies three main types of variation. A. Regional variation. A dialect is a variety of a language spoken in a particular geographic region. It has unique vocabulary, words that are different in different areas. Example, soda versus pop versus fizzy drink. Grammar, sentence structures can vary. Example, I'm going to the store versus I'm going to go to the store versus I'm going store. Pronunciation, the way words sound differs by region. Example, the word bath is pronounced bath in American English versus bathaupas in British English. Tip: accent refers only to pronunciation, while dialect includes vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. B. Social variation. Language also varies depending on social factors. Socioeconomic class, working class versus upper class may have different pronunciation or vocabulary. Example, in the UK, the pronunciation of R in words like car often differs between classes. Gender: men and women may use language differently due to cultural norms. Example, women may use more polite or standard forms, men may use more slang. Age: teenagers often create new slang or innovative language. Example, words like lit or ghosting are used more by young people. Occupation-specific jobs develop their own jargon. Example, medical staff use BP or stat, which may confuse outsiders. C. Ethnic and cultural variation. Language can mark identity and heritage. Different ethnic groups may speak the same language differently. Example, African American vernacular English has unique grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation that reflects cultural identity. 3. Language and identity. Language is a powerful marker of who we are. Regional identity. I'm from Texas, I say y'all. Social identity. Using standard English may signal education or professionalism. Ethnic identity. Certain phrases or accents connect speakers to a cultural group. Personal identity. Choosing slang, formal speech, or even a second language can reflect personality. Important concept. People may switch their language style depending on context, a process called code switching. Example, speaking AAV with friends but standard English at work. 4. Key concepts in sociolinguistics. Accent. The way a person pronounces words. Example, Australian versus American English accents. Dialect, a variety of language including pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Example, Cockney versus received pronunciation in the UK. Register, formality or style of speech depending on context. Example, talking to a teacher versus texting a friend. Sociolect, language variation based on social class. Example, upper class versus working class speech patterns. Idiolect, the unique way an individual speaks. Example, your personal vocabulary, phrases, and tone. 5. Examples of sociolinguistic variation factor. Example, region, lift versus elevator. Social class. Pronunciation of bath. In different UK classes, age: teenagers using yeet or flex. Ethnicity: AAVE. He be working. Gender: women using hedges. I think maybe more than men. Occupation: lawyers say habeas corpus, doctors say stat. 6. Why study sociolinguistics? Understand language diversity and communication styles. Appreciate cultural identity and heritage. Improve language teaching and learning by understanding real usage. Help with translation, AI speech recognition, and accent training. 7. Fun facts. People often judge others by their accent and dialect, even subconsciously. Some dialects have no written form but are rich in expression. Code switching is common worldwide. Bilinguals often switch languages mid-conversation. 8. Activities to explore sociolinguistics. Record people from different regions saying the same sentence. Compare pronunciation. Identify slang used by your peers versus adults. Notice how you speak differently with friends versus teachers or family. Conclusion. Sociolinguistics shows that language is not just a communication tool. It reflects who we are, where we come from, and our social world. Understanding it helps us appreciate diversity, reduce stereotypes, and communicate more effectively.